few things that we really emphasize here at Anderson Seed and Garden is how difficult it is sometimes for your soil to absorb and retain the moisture, especially when you're dealing with hanging baskets or planters. It's really hard to get those pots to hydrate up and hold the moisture when it's 95 degrees outside. One of the secrets in our secret recipe is Easy Wet. Now, Easy Wet is a soil penetrant, so when you mix it in with water, it decreases the surface tension of the water, and so it'll actually penetrate into your soil. So a lot of times potting soil and water actually repel each other, and they're incompatible for a while until that water penetrates down into the soil. The Easy Wet will help so that water will penetrate down into the soil. So this is just regular water. There's 4 ounces of regular water, and I've got the Fertilome Ultimate Potting Mix in here. And when you apply water to soil, a lot of times it will just puddle up on the surface. Can you see it's like it's puddling up there on the top, and then as it drains down through it. We might have to do some more water because the soil's like sucking it up really nicely. Oh, there it goes. The water starts dripping out the bottom when it doesn't hydrate up all the way, and it'll like drain right through the bottom. But if we do the same amount of water with some of the Easy Wet in it, I'll just put a little bit of Easy Wet in there, just a couple drops, and we'll do the same amount of water. In fact, we could probably do even more water. It doesn't have that same action, and the water won't drip out the bottom. So when we pour that in, it just penetrates directly right into the soil, and it doesn't puddle up on the surface. And then it will hydrate all that soil and retain all that moisture, so we don't have it dripping out the bottom. It'll just pull all that moisture right into the soil, so you don't lose water out the bottom like we did with this one. All it took was just about 5 seconds for the water to start dripping out the bottom. But with this one, no water dripping out the bottom, and I can feel that it's actually touching the sides of the pot already in my hand. So the big difference between what regular water will do when it comes to hydrating soil and what a little bit of a soil penetrant like the Easy Wet will do, so that water just never comes out. It just hydrates all that soil up, so it will retain the moisture a lot longer for your plants to perform a lot better.